All right. How old are you, Mr. Corey?
22 years old.
So, Mr. Corey, you're in that phase that my sister has this phrase. She said you're in that 20 stupid phase. But we do real dumb stuff when we're in our 20s, especially like until we get about 27.
Welcome to What Had Happened Was.
Where we take a peek into actual court cases and give you commentary based on our unique perspective and experiences, and also give you informational tips and tricks to help you avoid a what had happened situation.
Before we get started, give us a thumbs up, a tasteful comment. Subscribe to the channel to be notified of every video as they come out.
The officer met with a Mr. Stanley Glass, who advised that his neighbors, the defendant, Mr. Coney, and another male, were knocking on doors. The officer had the opportunity to speak with the defendant as well as the other individual, and they advised they were trying to get their neighbors, ask neighbors to buy something for them with an ID. The officer at that time asked for the other individual's ID. He provided his ID. He asked the defendant, Mr. Coney, for his ID. He said he did not have one. Then he asked for his name, date of birth, and he provided that his name was Joel Vinson, and his date of birth was October the 9th of 2021. The state is recommending 12 months to serve 30 days. Credit for the time they served, the balance to be suspended, Your Honor.
Anything else, Ms. Hahn?
Your Honor, we ask that you accept the state's recommendation. I did speak to Mr. Coney about the dangers of using somebody else's name. He understands that. He understands the risk, and he assures me that it will not happen again. So again, we just ask that you accept the recommendation.
All right.
Okay.
Wait a minute, what birthday did he say?
October, the year 20, October something 2021.
So that means that the person he's saying that he is 2 years old.
Yes, he's the biggest.
Get ready to be three.
Three, maybe, yep.
So then he done involved some 2-year-old child in his nonsense.
Nefarious activities.
Nefarious activities. So now he gave this name or whatever. Like like, is this his baby? Somebody else? Like, whose kid is this? And he knows the name or whatever. He just gave the birthday, and then now. So now like, oh, this
kid goes to school, get picked up first day of school. What's going on? Yeah, you wanted for something.
Because
What?
The funny thing
I'm
is,
only 5, sir.
The cops will go to see what's going on, and they still got to hash it out.
Yeah, you got to investigate it.
That's
Mr. Coney, you don't want anybody putting charges on you using your name. Don't do that to somebody else. That's horrible.
Yes,
Somebody could get into a very serious and dangerous situation because they know that they don't have charges, and you're out there giving their name, and the next thing you know, they have a very negative encounter with law enforcement. And that's not fair to law enforcement or to that person. You understand?
yes, ma'am.
That's a real thing.
All right. How old are you, Mr. Corey?
22 years old.
So, Mr. Corey, you're in that phase that my sister has this phrase. She said you're in that 20 stupid phase. But we do real dumb stuff when we're in our 20s, especially like until we get about 27. We make real dumb decisions, and I'm including myself in that. So what I say to you is, sir, you got to think twice.
Oh no, he got to think 3 times because he gave some small child's name and everything. No, he got to think about it, and then think about it again. He might have to write it down, read it back to himself, because you done gave a whole small person's name.
That's crazy. And then baby Huey, I'm big for my age. Nah, you crazy. Listen, unfortunately, that 20 stupid age, the 20 something stupid, lasts some people a lot longer.
Last 20 years. Last 20 years.
How old are you? I'm 2015. What? Yeah, I'm 2021. Yeah, I'm in my late 20s. 2021. No.
20 for the last 20 years. Stop it.
And that's when you're making the same stupid mistakes as well.
Your birth certificate is 45 years old, okay? I don't know how old you are, but your birth certificate is 45 years old.
He's in his late 20s, 2025.
When you do something, because some things have some very long-term consequences. Okay. You don't want to spend the rest of your life coming back and forth in an orange jumpsuit because you can't think through the consequences of what you're doing today. Everything you do today is going to resonate and have a consequence 5, 10, 15 years from now. The longer your criminal record gets, the harder your life will be when you're older. And I'm not trying to make my life hard. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So it might be fun and cool, and you chilling, you getting away with stuff now, but when you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, your life gonna be real hard. Don't make your life hard for some simple like fun or shenanigans you doing now.
And they giving out football numbers now. They not even playing around. They doing double digits and better. These people is not gonna see outside for a long time. And it's sorry because it's hard. They really trying to get these people now.
Yeah, it shouldn't be the only suit you have in your closet is orange.
Right. I love the color orange, and I look really nice in it, but I do not want to wear an orange jumpsuit ever, 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 ever. And I would probably, my skin would look fantastic in orange, but not in a jumpsuit. That's not the outfit of choice I want.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So I'll sentence you to 12 months to serve 30 days. Credit for time served. Balance will be suspended. That's on count 2 in exchange for your NOLO plea. Count 1 is a null pros. You can go back with the sheriff's office, and if nothing is holding you, then you'll be free to go soon. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Think about what I said.
Thanks for watching.
And also give us a thumbs up, like, comment, share. Subscribe to the channel, and you'll be notified of every video as they come up. And get that algorithm going and help us build this channel in 2024.
And make sure that you don't wind up in a what had happened situation.